Hi everyone, I am Anchal Nanda, Senior Associate at Oasis Designs Inc. Urban designer by profession, kiosk manager by default, overthinker being my second nature, and someone who talks a little too honest to be always being politically correct, but ends up being my team's trustworthy therapist. If you know me, you'll know I am a people's person. I thrive on conversation, whether it's deep, soul searching life chats or some light-hearted banters. While engaging with listening to people's stories, I was always wondering where they unfold into, where the neighborhoods where these stories were set in, and perhaps there started my love for urban design. Every summer, my family used to take us to the new towns. Each had its own curious rhythms. But it was my own neighborhood, Shalimar Bagh in Delhi, where I first felt the power of thoughtful design. The market on two sides and the park on others weren't just shortcuts for my daily routes. From a school student to office employee, they were the threads that were shaping how I experienced the city. When I got into architecture, I quickly realized I wasn't into let's design a perfect building vibe. I was more into where's the benches, where will people sit and talk, or where can kids play. One of my professors once told me I'm an architect with good heart, and that stayed with me because for me, architecture has always been about empathy. Then came January 2020. I joined Oasis with full of excitement. But 2 months later, pandemic happened. I went from new job, new dreams to how do I print PDFs real quick. My first project here was redevelopment of Valankulam lakefront in Coimbatore. I was pretty clueless in the beginning. I didn't know what a good GFC would look like. I did what any panic designer would do. I used to pick the brains of my seniors, stock the office reference files, and slowly pieced it all together. Same year, in November, I got to visit the site for the first time. And wow, seeing something I had worked on, a place of such massive scale, come alive, goosebumps. Soon after that, I was told to go for a meeting with PWD officials, where I pretended to know it all and I hadn't even read half the drawings. And suddenly, I was the one explaining them. That project became my first streetscape, the first of many more that came subsequently. Then came Lal Chowk Precinct, Srinagar. The pressure, immense. The excitement off the charts. The flights, frequent. That I was getting lights fixed at Ghantaghar, matching levels, coordinating with people who never agreed on anything, and still trying to get that 10 groove in the flooring. Somewhere during all that, I got the nickname of the fighter. I pretend to be chill about it, but I wear that name like a badge of honor. I think I always had that instinct to lead, to manage, to make things better. Even in school, I was the one mentally reorganizing events while sitting in the audience. Not because I wanted to control, but because I cared. That instinct became even sharper when I started working on slum rehabilitation projects in my previous office. Designing for dignity gave me a purpose, figuring out how to balance human lives, and developer profits was definitely a headache. But then there was always a weird kind of joy. I discovered I actually enjoy the economics of design. Fast forward to now, I'm planning a 500-acre township, planning every bit of a land parcel, doing zoning, figuring out densities, and furiously participating in the last minute sanction dramas. These days, I lead client meetings, mentor juniors, present to commissioners, and get excited every time we bag a new project or see a space we have built in the past being used well. Because I have lived every bit of this journey. I have stumbled, second guessed myself, grown, and somewhere along the way have always found my voice. At Oasis, I have gone from please tell me what to do to here's how we are doing this. Working closely with Akasir and Sujata ma'am, who have supported me, challenged me, and sometimes just trusted me to figure it out. They have encouraged me to take the center stage in the meetings, lead projects, guide teams, not just with the design, but also embed the right values to steer the work forward. I have now started speaking at conferences, serving as an external juror in urban design studios, and slowly stepping into the roles that allow me to influence and inspire. Not just because I think I have it all figured out, but because I know what it means to try, mess up, but still keep showing up. I always say this: let's stop cribbing about no footpaths or P words. Let's step in to make the space better. That's the power urban design gives us. At Oasis, we work in the intersection of planning, transport, landscape, and urban design with sustainability at the core. As we celebrate 25 years, I am proud to be part of the team that honors the past and looks boldly to the future. New cities, new challenges, we are ready. And if that little girl who once sat in the audience saw me now leading projects, speaking to officials, building real change, she'd smile. Because this is just she always wanted to do, and this is just the beginning.